from weights to workbenches. This 30x40 in Crowley, Texas is more than just a shop. Stick around as we show you what it took to build and what it cost. Welcome back, Pack. Ed here from the WolfSteel marketing department, bringing you another exciting build here in my hometown of Crowley, Texas. Our client here was looking for a tubular metal building that had an all-in-one workspace, so we ended up going with a 30x40, but not just any 30x40. This one's a workshop, a garage space, a gym, all in one, just like he envisioned it from the beginning. And in today's video, I'll show you how it all came together and what makes this build special. Before we get into the story, Pack, it's giveaway time. That is correct. So the first person that answers the correct question in the comment section down below will win a free WolfSteel flag and a free WSB shirt, a WolfSteel shirt. I don't know about y'all, Pack, but I love a free shirt. Now what are we waiting for? Let's get into the build.
A new project can be tedious. Finding the correct contractor for your concrete, building, insulation, etc. It's a lot. We know. We've seen it from various customers, which is why we've combined everything in one place just for you. We handle everything for you to make sure you have your building your way. We do tubular and red iron metal buildings, bolt-ups to weld-ups, concrete, site preparation, demolition work, polished concrete, polyura, or concrete coatings, permitting assistance to make sure you are clear with the city and HOA. Various insulation options like spray foam, fiberglass, and solar reflective insulation. Gutter system, custom accessories to stand out against your neighbor. Custom overhead and roll-up doors, cedar posts, or encasements. Various service door options or windows to match your aesthetics. Mezzanines or balconies available for bolt-ups to give you that additional vertical space. Electrical is in the beta and available close to our office here in Fort Worth, Texas. Limited landscaping options and masonry to match your home or get that HOA approval. Everything you need in one place. Whether you're a business owner needing warehouse space or a car enthusiast needing a garage or just anyone looking for a strong custom metal building, we've got you covered. Our clients choose not because we're the cheapest, but because of what we stand for. Keep in mind, we do not service outside of our service areas. We do not provide just materials or just metal building kits. We don't just do concrete or spray foam. We do full turnkey Texas metal building projects. If you fall within our service area, contact us today. If not, I hope our channel can help you with your metal building project.
Now getting into the build itself. For this 30x40, the foundation is one of the most important parts of the entire project. Before any steel goes up, it all starts with the concrete. That's one of the things that makes WolfSteel different. We're a true turnkey solution. From planning and permitting to concrete, building, and accessories, our team handles every step of the process in-house to make sure everything comes together seamlessly. For this slab, we poured a 30x40 main foundation and 3 inches all around for the notches. One thing we always make sure to do on our foundation is to notch out the areas where the doors and the sheet metal will sit. It might seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference. Early on, we saw how easy it was for other projects to have water leaks simply because the slab and the building crews weren't lined up. That's why we brought concrete work in-house to make sure every notch lines up perfectly with the building design. It helps seal off the base of the structure and keeps water from creeping in later on. The slab also includes 12x24 inch perimeter and internal footings. One detail the client wanted was an 8x10 ramp for easy access into the building. The proper planning and coordination up front set the tone for everything that followed, giving this build a solid foundation to stand on. This one's a 30x40x10 tubular metal building, simple, clean, and built with purpose. Since it's under 12 feet tall, it uses a single leg frame made from 14 gauge galvanized square tubing, still giving it a strong structure and long-term durability. The client went with white walls paired with an evergreen roof, trim, gutters, and downspouts, a classic color combo that looks clean and balanced from every angle. For the panels, we're using 29 gauge panels with vertical orientation. Going vertical on the panels is an upgrade on our tubular buildings, but that not only adds strength, but also helps with water runoff and gives the building a more finished look. Lastly, instead of sticking with our standard 312 roof pitch, the client decided to bump it up to a 412. That small change actually makes a big visual difference, giving the roof line a steeper, sharper look while adding a bit more ceiling clearance inside the building. Altogether, it gives this tubular building that perfect mix of functionality and curb appeal, exactly what the client was aiming for in their all-in-one workspace. Now moving into the door and windows, the client kept things functional but clean, starting off with a 10x10 overhead door in the raised short panel style mounted on the standard tracks. It gives plenty of clearance for equipment or vehicles while keeping that classic balanced look on the front elevation. For easy entry, the client went with a 36x84 walk-in steel door. Steel doors are extremely durable, offer much better security compared to the mobile home door. They're also low maintenance, seal tightly, and hold up well against the Texas weather, making them a long-term investment that looks clean and is built to last. Lastly, to finish it off, we added 5 36 double pane windows spaced evenly around the building. That choice not only gives the space a ton of natural light, but also makes it feel more open and comfortable, especially since the shop doubles as a workspace, gym, and storage area. It's a great example how the right mix of doors and windows can really change how a metal building looks and feels from the inside out. For insulation, our client went with 1-inch spray foam on both the roof and walls. But before that could go in, the client decided to run electrical throughout the building. Now if you're looking to run electrical before spray foam but don't know where to start, or if you should add it before or after spray foam, here's a video of what our team recommends doing. Like I mentioned throughout the video, since the project is within the city of Crowley, that meant one more important step, an electrical inspection. The city required that the inspection to be passed before any spray foam could be applied and before the final building inspection could be approved. Once everything checked out, our team moved forward with the spray foam, sealing everything tight and giving the interior that clean, finished look. And on the exterior, we wrapped it all up with the matching evergreen gutters and downspouts, not just for function, but to help tie the color scheme together and help protect the slab from runoff. And that wraps it up all in this one workshop, gym, and storage space here in Crowley, Texas. The total cost of this project, including everything we just covered, will be showing up right here on the screen. That price includes the full concrete foundation, the building itself with the upgraded 412 roof pitch, the evergreen and white color combo, all the accessories like the overhead door, walk-in door, and windows, plus the insulation, gutters, and downspouts, everything start to finish. Now keep in mind, the price is only valid for 5 days after the posting of this video and can vary depending on your location. And before we wrap it up, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it's giveaway time pack. The question is, how many inches do we add to the concrete slab for our notches? Is it 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, or 4 inches? Drop your answer down below in the comment section and the first person to comment the correct answer wins. Lastly, if you're liking this new style video, let us know in the comments as well. Your feedback helps us keep improving and creating the content you want to see. As always, Pack, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Pack! Stay up to date with everything we're up to by checking out our social media. You can find us at WolfSteel Buildings for behind the scenes actions. We share our latest projects, updates on what the team is working on, and all the exciting progress happening in real time. Don't miss out on the action and give us a follow.